Welcome to my channel. This tutorial was actually a bite from another tutorial I decided to just put my own spin on. First, I want to show you how I went to Walmart for some fabric for the Togo inspired ensemble I wore for the maternity pictures. This was see-through, so I wound up purchasing 10 yards of fabric to cover my body. Don't worry, it was really inexpensive, and I used these little pins to hold everything up. Took a little while, but I shopped around in Walmart in the craft section for the perfect flowers. So yesterday I got the phone call that my surgery would be moved up to Monday. Well, Monday I had scheduled my maternity pictures. So since I won't be able to do my maternity pictures, excuse me, I got the move to Friday, which is today. So I'm in Walmart. I'm going to do my own maternity dress, my own maternity flower headband situation. And now I'm looking at children's books. Be bold like Josephine, Shirley, and Maya. Josephine Baker was a singer, a dancer, and a spy. Super cute book, but I don't need to get a book right now. So here are the supplies that you need. Once you have your wire into a halo, you're going to wrap it with garden tape and then wrap that with the ribbon of your choice. Sure, whatever flowers that you choose have leaves and a stem, you will need them later. Oh, and you want a good pair of scissors. I'm not going to say my workspace is ideal, but you make it work. Workspace and a hot glue gun with hot glue gun sticks. After pulling the buds, the stem, and the leaves apart, you're going to put hot glue on the end of the flower bud and stick that to the ribbon of your headband. Now you got to be careful because there's a little bit of rounded tip and your ribbon is going to be somewhat flat. So you're just going to have to lay it and make it work. I'm sorry that the camera was not pointed down, so you can't really see this wonderfully, but you get the idea. And this is going to feel like deja vu, but I just wanted to show you this step again and to let you know that you do this around, I would say, half of your headband. You don't have to go all the way around because only the front is really going to show. So take your time and place your flowers however you would like for them to look. If you're really picky or super creative, you may lay your flowers out first, see your design, and then duplicate that on the headband with the glue that you are using. This process was very simple. It took me a good 10 minutes max. So I'm just going to stick these green leaves instead of gluing them. Like so. Literally sticking it here to give it some pop of color. So it's not just all flowers. Ta-da! I was literally rocking my headband about an hour after creating it. The entire look came together very quickly, and I want to say, where there's a woman and a will, there's a way. Thanks for watching.